Hi everyone! In this video we will demonstrate how to safely add custom code in Bimber WordPress theme. You will probably want to modify the theme somehow. The recommended way to apply your changes is to use the Bimber child theme. Let's start by explaining what the child theme is and how to use it. The child theme is a theme that works on top of the main theme. When you activate the child theme, you are actually activating its parent theme as well. This way, you don't need to change anything inside the main theme, but only inside the child. As the update affects only the main theme, your child theme is never updated, and the same, all the code inside it is safe and won't be erased during updates. Okay, enough theory for now. Let's install and activate the child theme to see how to use it. The good news is you don't have to create your own child theme. Our theme is delivered with it. Please navigate to the Appearance, Themes, click the Add New button and choose to upload the file. Now, browse to the theme package downloaded from the theme forest and choose the Bimber child theme zip file. Click the Install Now button. Now, activate it and that's all. Your child theme is now up and running. Let's now take a look at the installed themes. The active theme is the child theme. It's always in version 1.0. The main theme is now in the version 8.5 and only that theme will be updated in the future. To add a code, please navigate to the Appearance Theme Editor. In the top right corner, you should see the Bimber child theme selected. Take a look down and you will find a list of included files. Let's examine them one by one with code examples. To add CSS code, you have to use the style CSS file. Take a look at the example. It's a code that converts a post title on a single post page only into uppercase. To add JavaScript code, you have to use the modifications.js file for the frontend or modifications.admin.js for the backend. We forgot to save changes in the CSS file, so let's do that now. Now we can move to the modifications.js file. Depends on the nature of your code. You can put it inside the document ready or the window load block of code. As example, we can change the jQuery UI delimiter from comma to the enter by entering that code. Always remember to save changes. To add PHP code, you have to use the functions.php file. If the code has to be run after the theme setup phase, you have to place it inside the Bimber child theme setup block of code. Let's change the xrep length by adding this code. It can be added at the end of the functions.php file. Save changes to apply your code. And finally, the child theme will not affect your site speed. It's a lightweight and simple way to modify the theme. If you need to add any code, please do that using the child theme. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.